To insert a SIM card or two SIM cards on the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G is quite simple. First things first, you need to get your SIM card ejector tool that should look just like this. This should actually come inside of the box of your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, but if you cannot find yours, then you can go ahead and look for any pointed pin like this, and then locate the SIM card tray on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G at the bottom over here. Proceed to insert your SIM card ejector tool into this little hole over here, and then push it a little hard until it actually pops out. Now once it pops out, all you just have to do is to use your finger to pull out the SIM card tray like so, and keep in mind that this is actually SIM 1 and then the bottom is for SIM 2. So go ahead and get your first nano SIM card and then flip your SIM card to the back so that the metallic part is facing upward, and then you just want to place it just like so on your SIM card tray. Make sure that the little curve on your SIM card fits the little cut or curve on the SIM card tray as well. You want to do the same thing for the SIM 2. So get your SIM card, flip it to the back, and then proceed to insert it just like so. And now you can now insert your SIM cards with the SIM card tray into your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G just like so. Carefully insert it, and now you're good to go. You want to go ahead and turn on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. Open up your device and you'll be prompted to set up the SIM cards on your device. So click on the next button over here, choose the SIM card you prefer for calls. I will go with SIM 1. Choose the SIM card you prefer for messages. I will go with SIM 2, and then also choose the SIM card you prefer for mobile data as well. I will just go with SIM 1 as well. Tap on OK and you're good to go. And I hope this was helpful. Please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.